Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs and I have a super special guest. What's your name?
Kylie.
Kylie, are you from Growing Up Garage?
Yeah.
Yeah? What else you got to say?
I got a real pet. I got where to go.
Yeah, what is this car behind us? What kind of car is that?
It's a transit.
It is a Transit, and what's really cool is this is an all-wheel drive Ford Transit. Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Do you love the Ford Transits?
Yeah.
Yes, see, I mean, dude, how cute is she? So this is Kylie, she is my youngest, but today, guys, we are gonna go talk about something that is completely opposite of her, and that is this giant Ford Transit, all-wheel drive behind us. We decked this thing out and built it. Pretty darn awesome. Let's go take a look at it. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Can you give me a big high five? Yeah, let's go. All right guys, so we did our 2-inch lift kit on the front of this. This is our altitude lift kit. Now I will tell you that we went with a really big tire on here, and this is a 265/75/16 wrapped on this awesome, what kind of wheel is this?
Method race wheels.
Right, see, so every 2-year-old should be able to say Method race wheels, right? So anyways, this is the 901. This is an awesome looking wheel, and I'm sure he'll get some killer shots of it. Now, this is another thing, guys, though, I wanna make sure that you know this is when you go to run this size tire on here, just a massive amount of trimming that had to be done in order to get that to fit on the back part of this wheel well. Another thing that you can't really tell is before we installed this Backwoods bumper on here as well, there was also a lot of trimming up in the front. You can see we added a little bit of extra hardware up here in order to get the plastic inner fender liner to match as well. And you can see right here at Kylie's height, you know, coming in and trimming it. We're gonna get more into this bumper. But just want to show you how awesome it looks, and if you're thinking about doing that, some of the trimming that you will have to do as well. Now, you might want to go to a little bit smaller tire because when we get to the back, we'll show you that a lot of trimming in the back of this Ford Transit all-wheel drive. All right, so we got another set of these awesome wheels back here. What kind of wheels are those?
They're black.
They're black?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still learning our colors. So those are going to be gray, and what I love about this is how close this gray is to the gray of the van. I think it just looks really, really nice. So in the back of this, we kept it simple. We are running a 2-inch block in the rear. We also added our Fox shocks to the rear. Now, you are gonna notice the massive amount of trimming as well that had to be done in here in order to clear this size tire. So it is doable, but just want you to know what's involved in going to this big of a tire. Now, of course, you could run a bigger block in there, and hopefully later on we will do our progressive leaf spring once they get the inside of this completely built out. But you can see that both on the front and on the rear of these, we've probably cut that back to 1 inch and really even that pinch weld back a ton. So that's it. This again, guys, this is our altitude lift kit. This is the lower control arm, coil spacer up front, blocks in the rear, and our Fox shocks. So we didn't stop there. We also added some killer bumpers. Let's head to the back of this thing and check out this Backwoods bumper. All right, so one thing to keep in mind, guys, is when you're going to be doing a lift kit like this, it's always a good idea to do a full-size spare as well. So you can see that we've put that in the vehicle for now. Who knows where it will end up going. You can see just how much you know, just area there is in this thing. I mean, it is massive in there. Kylie, there's no seats in there though, huh?
Oh, there's no light.
There is no lights, huh? What happened? What happened to everything? Where'd it go? Oh, look, we found another crazy terrorist here. So we got Ford, our white lab, and then you guys have probably seen this crazy kid. Oh, look, dude, we got matching shirts. So if you want to see more of this crazy kid, head over to Growing Up Garage. We do all kinds of fun stuff over there. It's summertime, dude. The kids just come to work with dad. Let's close this and check out this bumper. So you can see this bumper is really nice. It's going to give you that big platform to be able to stand up on there to get in. It does keep the sensors in there, and you can see as well, we have added our lightforce lights to the rear of this, and it's going to give it a nice look, that flush mount light. We're not hanging anything down, and it is going to work as well with your trailer hitch on there. I mean, overall, this thing's pretty rad in the back. Let's close this door so you can get a total view of the whole bumper on there. Looks pretty neat. Let's head to the front and check out the Backwoods bumper up front. Let's go. So this does have a Smitty-built winch. This is a 12K winch, and it does have the synthetic rope on there. This is going to be really nice. This whole bump, the winch tucks in there really nice. And it's not like a lot of the bumpers that you normally see on like the Econolines where they just get massive once you put a winch on them. I definitely like the way this Backwoods bumper goes. It's all still gonna have the sensors in there as well. And the bumper is, the exterior shell of the bumper is aluminum. It's gonna fit the body lines really nice. And you can see as well, we have added, there is lights right there, huh?
There's 2 lights.
There is. So we added our lightforce lights to the front of this. Now to control these lights, we did add a switch pro panel inside to control all of the lighting. So I guess we're heading inside the front of this thing to go check it out. You wanna come?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. The cabin of this, I really love the way that the new 2020 and up, you know, dashes are, the navigation. I mean, there is a lot of nice things about this. So what we've done up here on the roof is we've added a switch pro panel. Now what's really nice about that switch pro panel is it's gonna control 8 different items on the vehicle itself. And what's even better is later on when I want to add more accessories, all I have to do is run them to the brain of it. I don't have to run additional wiring and relays, things of that nature, all the way back inside the cab. So that's a big plus. It's all going to be push button, which is really nice. And you can even operate it through an app on your phone as well. So just so many really cool things about the Switch Pro panel. And I will definitely put a link down below as we sell these on our website. But that's pretty much it, Kai, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. All right, let's head back outside. We covered just a few things. I mean, I wish there was always more. I love building out these Transits, and this was really a cool one to do, running such a big tire. So we did our altitude kit with the 265, 75, 16 tires and the Backwoods front and rear bumper. We also added that Smitty-built winch up in the front and some killer lightforce lights. And don't forget the awesome Switch Pro panel on the inside. So not only that, it's awesome having my kids here involved in all the craziness that we do. What should we tell them to do, Kylie?
I'll go to that one.
You want to go see another one?
Yeah.
You got to tell them, hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel.
That's on your channel.
That's right. You heard it from her. She's the boss. You better be doing it. So if you have any questions about this build, go ahead, leave them in the comment section below. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and then I guess we'll let this guy close it out.
Make sure you guys subscribe to Growing Up Garage, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
That's it. See you later, guys.